FlashForge Guider 3 Plus is a professional-grade 3D printer with excellent and quiet performance. It is well designed to do high-speed printing in various kinds of model textures. The Core XY structure supports 250 mm per second high-speed printing and finer model surface quality. The 350, 600 mm printing space meets large model printing needs. The Guider 3 Plus is equipped with air filtration, drying filament chamber, quick release nozzle, flexible printing platform, intelligent assistant, and other convenient functions ensuring a smooth printing experience. Guider 3 Plus offers efficient user interface and management system for small enterprises, studios, and university laboratories, empowering R&D design and accelerating prototype development.